Guys, we are on day 7 of my landscape review. So basically on day 1, I went ahead and put down Milorganite, which is nitrogen fertilizer down on the ground. And I also overseeded. I overseeded the backyard and the side yard with Argentina Bahiagrass. And then in the front, I did Pensacola Bahiagrass. So we're going to see which one of these two works better for my lawn. But as you can see behind me, the grass is starting to come in greener, which is great. Over the last 7 days, I've watered it 3 times, 45 minutes per zone, which is more than enough water to go ahead and get everything soaked and everything well hydrated. And we also had 2 rainstorms. So there's a lot of new growth happening right now. And as you can see behind, it's just turning green, which is great. That's what we want. We want my grass to turn green. So let me go ahead and do a quick walk around on the grass to show you about what is happening and what new growth is coming up. So let's get to it. All right, you can see it right there. That is the new growth coming in from the overseeding, which is phenomenal. And it's happening everywhere. All right, so there you have it, day 7. I've got new grass seedlings, which is great. That's what I'm looking for. And you can see it's still a little brown, there's weeds everywhere, but you know what? Not worried about it. Next 7 days, we're gonna see taller grass, which is great. And then from there, I'm just going to keep letting it grow. Like I said, 4 to 6 weeks, I'm not cutting this at all. And we're going to see how high I could get this grass. So then I could then hand pick out the big weeds, get them out of here, and then go ahead and hopefully have the new grass choke out the rest of the weeds because they have shallow roots. So thanks again for following.